You are in a farm, in an organic farm near Lisbon. We are 40 kilometers from Lisbon to the north. Our main business is farming. We started in 2007 with organic, and today we have 12 hectares of organic. We grow a lot of different vegetables, and we have the restaurant where we cook, and you can come and have a meal. The chef goes to the garden and he chooses what he wants to pick for the menu. So everything is very fresh. We pick the day before and we cook today, so it can be more fresh, no? That's why maybe it's so good. We have a soup with leeks, broad beans, sesame seeds. Then we have salad with a lot of green leaves. Then we have the main dishes, the small new potatoes with green beans, chicken and shiitake mushrooms, and spinach risotto with fresh garlic. For dessert we have a cheese pie, turmeric cheese pie with lime, and our famous strawberries from the farm. We try to grow a lot of different varieties of vegetables because it's important that our customers can have the best from us. For the soil, it's good to make the rotation, so it's good to grow a lot of different products. We have only seasonal products. We don't grow out of the season. Fortunately, we can grow all the year. We don't have snow, so it's okay for us. And we have our strawberries in summer. In the greenhouses, we grow tomato, the aromatic herbs. I'd love to have some rooms. We are starting now a project to have 9 rooms here. So I think we will have a nice future at the farm. I hope so.